My growmie garden, one of the best growers I know, swears by this soil called Great Lakes Water Only by Detroit Nutrient Company. Now, he says he only uses Recharge and Photosynthesis Plus, but I don't really believe him. So I'm testing it out in this series. I've never grown in water-only soil. I feel like it's too easy. And to grow a plant in the same medium in veg and bloom kind of doesn't make sense to me. But I've seen his plants and there's definitely something to it. Now, the initial soil was super dry. It was almost like dust. So I pre-soaked it a week in advance with a gallon of water with 5 milliliters of Photosynthesis Plus and 1 teaspoon of Recharge. The feed schedule is gonna be 1 teaspoon of Recharge per gallon, alternating with 2.5 milliliters of Photosynthesis Plus per gallon. Fair warning, Photosynthesis Plus smells like death. Price-wise, the total per each 5-gallon pot is $24, and the total spent on all supplies and nutrients is $121, which is enough for 2 5-gallon pots. A complete breakdown on the cost analysis is in the description, and it's probably cheaper to get all this stuff at your local hydroponic store, but if you want to save on gas, check the links in the description. The NPK values on Recharge and Photosynthesis Plus are pretty much negligible, so the nutrients are all gonna come directly from the soil. After getting this soil lab tested, all macronutrients are either acceptable or optimal, so this slot seems really promising. It looks to be the easiest grow style out of all 6 slots, and it'd be shocking to see if this is really as good as my growmie swears it is. We'll see. If you want to check out the day-to-day grow on this journal, check out our Discord, and also for the other 5 slots, check out our other videos.